Hi guys, welcome to Passionate About RC. We've got a car in for repair today. It's a Traxxas E-Revo 2.0. The customer has reported noisy gears, demonstrating here. So the first thing we're going to do is check the spur gear, pinion gear, just to make sure that that's all okay. How we'll do that will be to remove this screw here first. It's just literally one screw that holds this cover on across the top of the gears. That will slide off, and underneath there is where your two gears are. So you've got your motor gear, the pinion gear, and then your spur gear being the plastic gear here, which clearly already we can see is damaged. All those teeth have bent over, so all the face here is all flat instead of pointed. So that's going to need to be replaced with part number 6449. He's new to this car, so we're going to suggest him putting back on a plastic gear rather than an upgraded metal gear, just while he gets used to driving the car, because he's going to keep doing this, and if he puts on a metal gear he risks damaging the motor and the pinion as well. So I think for the time being, while he's new and he's got his 7-year-old boy driving it, it'll be better just to put the plastic gear on. So if it needs to give way, it will. The metal gear will either shatter or ruin your motor, so you need to be careful with that. So we do keep these gears in stock, which here it is, 6449. I'm going to get that replaced. I'm not going to do that on camera because it's a bit fiddly. I need both hands, and it's such a simple job. Okay, we've replaced the gear, and this is what it sounds like after the gear is back on and in place. Nice and smooth. That's good to go.